It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence Sport Touring. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Envision. First I'm going to hop in and shut that door. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, the programmable memory seat, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage. We also have the power liftgate button down below where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. To the left of the steering wheel are some lighting controls. Next, we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on the right side, we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through the dash using the toggle on the steering wheel. Up above is OnStar. Next, we have Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, the auto stop start button, hill descent control, lane departure alert, traction control, park assist, electronic precision shifting alongside 2 cup holders. And here we have our park brake and various drive modes. When we push the mode button, our options for drive modes will display on the dash. At the front of the Envision, we have the mesh grille insert, LED headlamps, 20-inch black aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood, black side mirrors, black roof rails. Those side mirrors also have side blind zone alert, intelligent access or keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the rear window wiper, the ST badging, and the power liftgate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to open up the liftgate. In the trunk, we have the cargo cover, plenty of cargo storage space, LED lighting, cargo hooks, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has the heated rear seat buttons, rear fans, and some USB ports. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 Buick Envision Essence Sport Touring, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.